Welcome to Road to Success Part 5. Today I'm starting the video at midday in 30 minutes. It's 12 o'clock. Also, what I've done so far today was I woke up, then I read Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins, which is a good book, but I'm not done yet, and it's also quite long. But I'm trying to finish that this week. Then I went to the gym and before reading I went to the gym. After that I got home, took a shower and read Money Master the Game. Then I began work and I edited some shorts which I'm exporting at the moment, and yeah, this just takes time and I can't do anything. But I'm gonna continue rendering the 5 videos I edited so far, and then after I render those I will also edit some more and also render those, and I give an update in a couple of seconds for you. For 1 hour I tried rendering 7 videos, 7 shorts, but this shit program, Premiere Pro, just can't export correctly. It's so annoying. I wasted 1 hour of my time. So useless. So, a couple of minutes later, and I calmed down a bit and just had some thoughts, and there's no point in wasting more time, so yeah, I'll just film some content instead and try my best to make it look the best. And this is an external problem. I can't do anything. It's not in my control, and I just have to control what I can control. I can't control that, so I'll do other stuff. I control my time then, and I film content now, and there's no point in wasting time, and you shouldn't either. So I'll just get started. So it's a couple of more hours later. It's nearly 8 o'clock, and yeah, as you can see, we have this professional setup kind of, and I filmed now 1 video which will come out in 2 weeks, and yeah, my voice now hurts quite much because I talked quite much. But yeah, nevertheless, I'm done with work now. I will go now for a run, and then I want to talk about something which resonated with me. Also, this is how this setup looks like, with here some LED lights, the microphone stand, and here is the camera and a big softbox, and I think it actually does look quite nice, this little setup. But just let me know for some improvements and I will take that into account next time. But yeah, now I'll be going for a run, and then I go and record this little section of this video. 5.5 kilometers with a pace of 5.5. Man, I'm happy. I didn't even want to run this long, but at the beginning it just felt too easy, and then I thought, why not take a bigger lap? That's what I did. It wasn't a mistake. I'm feeling great, and at the last 500 meters, Michael Jackson helped. I tuned on, I played the song, Beat It. It was beautiful, and I rushed through the last 500 meters. Oh, it feels so good. So it's now a couple of minutes later, 30 or so. I took a shower just to get away of the sweat. And yeah, the run was beautiful, as I said. And now I just want to go to bed. I'm pretty tired, but I promise that I will talk to you. And yeah, the thing I wanted to talk about was bored slash hard times. And at the moment, especially the last week and this week also, was quite boring, quite the same days, quite not that hard but tough, and it's just boring. My days are boring. It's I do the same things every day, and it's nothing special. It's super boring, and that also is the reason probably why it is tough as well. And yeah, you just have to find some little thing that brings you joy, that motivates you, and to push through these hard, boring times. Because yeah, it's boring. And yeah, but to achieve anything worthwhile in life, it you need to go through a lot of boring stuff, through accounting, through mails, through, like me, especially for the past 3 months, editing editing a video every day. It's boring. I used to really enjoy editing videos, but now it's not that fun anymore. I mean, I still enjoy it from time to time. I still enjoy editing videos, if especially if I incorporate some special effect or try out something new. But in the end, it comes down if you edit the nearly same video 30 times in a row. It's boring, and yeah, this also applies to other things, but yeah, that makes it tough because it's boring. But yeah, this was a late night thought of me, and now I'm excited. I'm craving the sleep. I need it. I really need the sleep. And yeah, with that, thank you for watching, and we'll see each other next week. Until then, have a good week and make the most out of your time. Yeah.